This workshop is enabling us as attendees to practice the art of storytelling, rehearse and refine our strategic process in approaching prospects and clients. I think for myself personally, it's been an opportunity to really sharpen my skills and put a little bit of theory behind the everyday practice. I think it's important to take a break from the typical grind and actually come into a gathering like this with different sales professionals from all different walks of life and share our stories and best practices and have Adrian as an instructor enlighten us with his years of knowledge and experience. It's been a wonderful experience and I highly recommend it.